Hello and welcome. My name is Dr. Zia. I welcome you in my research methodology lecture series. Today's lecture is lecture number 12, part A. So, in this lecture, I would be talking about some basic concepts, just 2 or 3 of them. It's a short lecture. Alright. We call number one, the concept which I am going to discuss is called observations. What are observations? What do you think? Let me tell you that observations in research are perceptions of reality. Perceptions of reality, and can be expressed in the form of either facts or opinion. So, you can come up with the perceptions, but they can be presented in the forms of either your opinions or some academicians or authors' opinions or the facts. So that's what we call the observations. And the observations can be collected through questionnaire, through various data collection tools. The second important concept today I'm going to discuss is concepts. What are concepts? I would request you to pause my video and comment below what do you think, what are concepts? I tell you, concepts are the ideas expressed in a symbol or words. So, here is a challenge for you. I said that concepts can be expressed as in the shape of symbols or in words. Here is a challenge for you. As a researcher, please pause my video and answer the question below in the comments. Can you think, can human being think without words? Can you think without words? I believe not. Right now you are trying, try it out and comment below. Let me see, can you think without words? So, concepts are the ideas expressed in the shape of symbol or coined in words. Alright, the next concept, next aspect in this lecture, what I am going to talk about is constructs. What are constructs, or what is the construct? Constructs are the abstract representation of a phenomenon. Means, if a concept cannot be measured directly, you can come up with multiple constructs and you combine them together to measure a concept. So constructs, I say, are the walls of a room if we consider room as a concept, or if we consider a wall a concept, then the bricks would be the constructs to build it up. So these were 3 things we discussed in this lecture. Number 1, observations. Number 2, concepts. Number 3, constructs. My name is Dr. Zia. I thank you very much. If you like it, please subscribe and press the bell icon. And see you in my next lecture.